Yes, Jay, I'm very happy to introduce you to Viman Nagar, and the way we met is really surprising, amazing. I've always been thinking in my mind that I want to meet the Simbi geniuses from Symbiosis, because Symbiosis has made so much change in Viman Nagar, brought about real transformation of Viman Nagar, I would say. And so when this happened, that my colonel friend thought of introducing you to me, and this is our second meeting and we have connected, bonded so well. I really feel that I attracted it. Okay, so we are digressing from the topic. So I'm very happy to welcome you on board of Viman Nagar Network. What do you feel about this whole idea and what we are trying to achieve?
Okay, Pankaj, I've just met you for like 2 times, but really impressed, by the ideas you've got. Really got awesome ideas. Okay, Semi people are not geniuses, first of all. They are very cool people. Okay.
Yeah.
And one thing I really liked about Viman Nagar community is it's actually something that was very common sense that is organized right now, right? And what I believe is that this VimanNagarNing.com, that is actually will help in creating value in all our
walks of life, right? For everyone, all age groups.
Right. And when I actually joined this website, I found that it's a one-stop thing. That you find each and everything here. You see all the things you need. It's like an online portal for all your work, all day life.
And especially it's more relevant to our neighborhood people who would like to meet the people nearby.
And the future is all about these hotspots, like Viman Nagar, Kalyan Nagar, so all these hotspots. So it's about being together in the community and serving the community. It's by the people, for the people, that concept. It works wonders, okay? And I'll be honest with it, that it's a completely out of the box thinking, okay? And I appreciate efforts of Pankaj, and I think it's not just our effort that'll work, it's about all of us.
It belongs to the whole community of Viman Nagar. It's not a particular person's website.
So each and every one of us is going to become a part of this community.
And it gives them an opportunity to express their ideas, what they're deep down, but they don't get the time to reach out in the real world. So from their bedroom on the net, they can talk and express, and people can discover their talents, skills, and therefore get to make life more interesting.
I myself was in Viman Nagar, never knew a person like Pankaj was there. Okay, so it doesn't happen always that you meet up coincidentally, but if it's there portal like this, you will keep on meeting great people like Pankaj. Okay, not just Pankaj. No. There are good people who have got different views. Let's meet up. Let's make
and together we can build a clean, neat, wonderful community. So my request to you is to tell all your friends who have very innovative ideas to spread the word around. And I need volunteers, So I'm telling all my friends who are very outgoing and who love to meet people that if you can chip in your bit and upload photos, use all the features that are given on the website to create blogs, write about things, report news, use Twitter, then it will build rich content with people. When they come to the site, they will find it interesting, not the same thing, nobody active, not that kind of thing. So if you can help by being a video reporter, I would love you to meet people whomever you know in Viman Nagar and take their clip and put it upload.
I myself know so many friends of mine would love to be a reporter. Well, you don't need a training or stuff. I don't have any training, okay? But I think if you do something with passion, it works out wonders. And I have some friends who will work with passion, and I would like you people to be with me. And it's not a general website like so many websites we have. It's like our website, and we are here to help each other.
And everybody can upload their videos, audios, have discussions. I have even put video chat, so people can just get online and talk to somebody on the video.
That's actually beautiful. Like people who stay in hostels, people who stay outside, in Viman Nagar, in our own flats, we can actually talk live. How wonderful it is, instead of just talking on phone and increasing our bills. And why not just have a video chat?
Absolutely, and people can see the person whom they are talking and find and discover them. So thanks a lot for this big support that you're giving.
Sure.
And I look forward to many interesting things coming on the net through your membership that you have taken.
100%. And thanks a lot, Pankaj. Thanks a lot to all of you who are listening right now. And together we'll make a beautiful community and a big difference.
And a model to all other areas to do the same thing. So Jai, once again a great big thank you and welcome also.
Thanks a lot.